Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make a box, but a different sort of box. We're going to make a router cutter box out of 7 different timbers to hold all my router cutters. I'll put them all on blocks so I can know exactly what I've got. So come on a journey and we'll make this router cutter box right now. I've been on a bit of a shopping spree late at night on Amazon, as you do, and I bought a whole heap of different router cutters. Router cutters to do doors, to do grooves, to do lock miters, all different types of router cutters. So, as a result, I need a new box to hold all these brand new router cutters, because at the moment I'm just holding all my router cutters in these small trays and they're not very organised. So today we're going to make a new box. A box for my router cutters. And we're going to make it out of 1/2" birch ply. And I put all timber fronts on it. All different timber fronts on the box, as I do. So let's get into it. Just squaring an edge now, just ripping off a long edge. So easy with a table saw. Look how the sheet can rest there. And ripping it to width now. And just stacking it away while the sheet just sits there, ready for the next cut. Easy peasy, Jap, and easy. And docking them to length now. There you go, easy as, dog guys, easy as. And marking them out now for where the shelves go to hold the drawers, and transferring the marks to the top so I can see when I nail it where it is. And doing a centre point at the back so I can draw a line so I know where to nail it. So all in the preparation, guys, it's all in the preparation. So the nails don't come out the sides. And nailing it together now. And screwing the two boxes together. The carcass is made here behind me. I'll cut the drawer size to fit in the holes. I'll make them out of 1/2" birch ply too. And then we'll make the drawers as normal, fit them in the holes, and then I'll make the fronts. Yee! Just docking the drawers now. There you go, turn it around, make sure you dock each end so you can square. And nail them together with a nail gun. Great nail gun that, it's a bit heavy but it's works well. Battery operated, pliers 18 gauge nails I think. And works really good. I like it. I've got the drawers all finished. They come out good. Look at that. And I've cut a heap of blocks so I'm going to drill the holes in to hold the cutters. So I can lift them out of the drawers when I want to take them over to the bench. So I've got a whole heap of them. And you see all the drawers behind me over there? They're all finished. So the next trick now is to cut the drawer fronts and drill the holes in the blocks. Yay! I've got 6 different timbers here. I've got Arcadia, Heaver, Jarrah, European Beech, and Engineered Birch, and Oak. So I'll put them all through the thickness now to get them all to the same size. And then we can cut them to size. Just whacking them through the thickness now to get them all down to the same size. I think I went down to about 17mm, I think. Some of them were 25, some were 18. The thickness will work well. There it goes. And just docking them to width now. and creating a train of offcuts. One offcut pushes the next offcut. Here comes another carriage. Toot toot. Oops, toot toot. And rounding them over with the little router, rounding the edges over. I like to do that with just a small router and a vise, just easy, rather than trying to set up a big router or put it in the permanent router. Whack it in the vise and get on with it. And spraying them up now. That's the end panel, spotted gum. And one of the door fronts, the Jarrah door front. Look at the colour of that. Look at the colour of that. And one now, couple of dobs of super glue, and I'll put a screw through the handle where the handle goes. That will hold them. There we go. Make sure it's all lined up right. Take the packer off. And now I'll put 22mm screws in from behind to hold them. Hello, we're all cramped up in the corner here, but I want to show off my brand new router cabinet to hold all my router bits and pieces, 6 different timbers, and an end panel of spotted gum. Look at that, guys. I'm not going to say the word yet, I'm going to say it at the end of the video. But it's come out good. Okay, the next step we're going to drill the holes in the pine plugs to hold all the cutters now. Drill them on the press drill to hold all the different cutters I got. I'll sort them all out and we're almost done. Yay! Okay, just drilling with the holes now. It's a 1/2 inch drill piece. I marked out all the holes. I could have set up a fence and stoppers, but it was easy just to mark them all out and do them freehand. There you go. And through the thicknesses they go to clean up all the pencil marks and all the little dags on top. And they come out quite good, quite clean. I've got all the router cutters in the blocks now. Look at that, it's so organised. I didn't know I had that many router cutters. I found a lot I didn't even know I had, which is great. And these blocks will just sit in the drawers, and when I need them I can just lift them out and look what I want and then put them back in the drawers. So organised, guys, so organised. Not like me. Okay, just putting them all in the drawers now. So easy now, look at that. Put in a whole tray of router cutters, they just sit there, and when I want them I can just lift them out. Very easy. Router cutter cabinet, all finished. Seven different timbers, as I do like mixing my timbers, as you know. All in drawers. You can just pick your router cutters out as you want them, all in blocks. So now I know exactly what sort of router cutters that I've got. I'm all organised. Look at that. At least in this corner anyway. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll be back next week where we'll be making another box. Yay!